Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to put a video inside a text using Adobe Premiere. Okay, so the first step will be, of course, to have our video and our text layer created, and after that we need to go to effects and search for a track mate key. Okay, and we need to drag this into our video. Okay, so after that we can go to effect controls and we will search for a mate, and as you can see our text is on the V2 track, so we need to select that one, video 2. And as you can see, we already have our our video inside our background, and as you can see the result is really good, works really good. So of course, if we want to change our background, because we already have like a black background, we can just drag these two videos to one track above, and we need to go to our project tab and right click here and create a new item. It will be color mate. It should match our our Canva here. We can hit OK. And in my case, I just want it to be like some blue, but like this kind of color, as you can see, but doesn't matter. It can be, yes, white. We can create that, and we need to drag this to the background. And as you can see, it's already on our timeline. Okay, so after that, we need to select our mate. We can just select the video, and we can put video 3, because as you can see the text now is on the V3 track. We select that, and as you can see we already have the background, and of course we can change the color of the background again and all that. So that's it guys, that's how it works, and thank you so much.